Hi, I'm Dr. Kim Trager, and I have created a manual, Dr. Kim's Foam Rolling and Therapy Ball Manual, to help with reducing spasm and releasing tension at a fascial level and a cellular level. Because we now know that fascia is not just what holds us all together physically, but it also holds on to our traumas and emotions. So using a foam roller and a therapy ball help with the physical part. And we know that essential oils really make a difference at every level. The ones that I have found that seem to work the best on the fascia are vetiver and balance, probably because of the grounding effects. So great for all of the leg muscles and lines of movement. I love also sandalwood and frankincense for the back and the neck, helping to calm the system. Aroma Touch and lavender are great if you have extra tension and just relaxation. And Aroma Touch is wonderful when we do the back muscles, helping with the diaphragm. Remember, when you're using these, you can use them with the touch, already diluted, dilute them with lotion. Putting them on the skin and breathing them in is going to prepare the body even more perfectly for releasing physical fascial tension. Enjoy.